Budgetopia. When you get a bird, the first thing you think about are care and cage. Today, in this video, I'm going to tell you what size, type, and setup you need for your feathered companion. Key factors for your budgie cage are
Size. It is the most important part of getting a cage. The factor of buying a cage depends on your budget. Buy the biggest cage you can afford. Just for your information, the cage size for a budgie is 18 by 18 by 18 inches. Cage size for two budgies is 18 by 18 by 45 inches approximately. For instance, the bigger your cage is, the best it is for you. Budgie. Buy the biggest cage and let your feather friend be happy. Bar spacing. It is one of the important factor of buying a cage. It should be around 0.5 inches. It is important because your bird can not only escape, but also can get their head stuck in. It just in case they trying to escape. Quality. A good quality cage is recommended for your little feathered friend. The factors of good quality cages are 1. The cage must have stainless steel. It should be painted with pet-friendly paints. 2. The cage should have at least 2 entries. 3 to 4 gates are recommended. 3. Make sure that you can move your hand freely through the cage and can easily reach every nook and corner to ensure healthy cleaning. The cage should have a tray to have easy cleaning. Hashtag toys. Just as kids need toys to get entertained, Budgie do same. You must have a 4-gauging toy, a climbing, and a chewing one. Make sure to change them every 4 to 6 months because they get bored very quickly. Now to set up a budgie cage, extra things you need are on the screen. Now I will show you how to set up your little companion's cage.
how to set up a budgie cage. A big question in the minds of owners. So all you need is a food dish, a water dish, some mineral and calcium blocks, perches, one is installed already, a ladder, a swing, one more foraging toy, and obviously the cage and the budgies. Let's start setting up this. First, we will add this big perch because a big perch helps them be safe from stress and also give them a big space to lie on. Now, we'll add our toys. First is this ladder, which is also working as a chewing toy. Now, we'll add this somewhere here. Another is this beautiful swing, which I will add in a nook for cage. Now we have got this foraging and chewing toy, which I will add in this place. Now we'll add a mineral block. Now let's bribe them with food and also give them some water. Let's add them some food. Enough. Now let's just fix up the tray to make it easy cleaning. Now the whole setup is